Hello, I am host of Tips and Tricks by Zeekay and you are watching YouTube channel and Facebook page. Let's start the video. If you are on a weight loss routine, then let's discuss the morning hours, which would really help you to achieve your goals. Following morning routine that combines lemon water, dance, arsan, pranayama, shower, cinnamon tea, mindful eating, planning and a practice of Aditya Bhavana can make a big difference to your weight loss achievement. Let's find more about this transformative morning routine. First, the moment you wake up, drink lemon water as soon as you wake up. Make a habit of drinking a glass of refreshing lemon water. This simple act hydrates your body, aids digestion, and provides a natural dose of vitamin C. It's a perfect way to stimulate your metabolism and prepare your body for the day ahead. Second, practice yoga essence. Practice yoga cells for 15 to 20 minutes every morning. Choose powerful asanas like Utkatashan, Koyasan 3 and Surya Namaskar. These poses engage multiple muscle groups, enhance flexibility, improve circulation, and increase your metabolism. They are wonderful methods for weight loss and overall well-being. Third, practice pranaya after yogasan. In pranayam session, first do few rounds of kapalabhati, which is fast, forceful inhalation and exhalation through your nostril. Here you take a long breath in and forcibly breathe in and breathe out fast. Do 30 rounds of this. Take a long breath in and relax, and then do Bhasrika Pradayam. Here the movement has to be at the abdominal level. When you breathe in, the stomach muscles move up. When you breathe out, the stomach muscles go down, but the same thing has to be done with a forceful way, moving stomach in and out fast. Friction is at the nostril level, but the movement is at stomach level, so these two techniques work wonders when you do them in the morning in Bhastrika Pradayam. Your cell tissues are oxygenated. That enhances your body's ability to burn calories and fats more efficiently. One more pranayama if you have time you should be doing, and that is helps in improving your breathing capacity and keeps your focus throughout the day. Fourth, take a refreshing shower. In the beginning, take lukewarm water for shower. Whole muscles get relaxed with lukewarm water, but then gradually change the temperature of water according to your need, according to the climate, and your shower with cooler water to embrace the brief discomfort if some have and feel the surge of energy and alertness that the cooler water brings, leaving you refreshed and ready to take on the day. Cool water stimulates your body and helps burn calories. Fifth, have a detox drink. There are several combinations of detox drink available for weight loss. I would give you a recipe for cinnamon apple drink. Take 2 to 3 apple slices, 2 sticks of cinnamon of about 1 inch, and 3 to 4 tulsi leaves. Drop these in 1 liter water. You may drink this water throughout in the morning whenever you feel thirsty. Apple supports weight loss because they are low in calories and high in fiber. Cinnamon increases your body capacity to produce heat, and that effort helps to burn more calories. Tulsi not only detoxifies the body but also increases metabolism. Sixth, have a nutritious breakfast. As the morning progresses, it's time to nourish your body with breakfast. Make sure to choose a breakfast that has balanced proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats, and remember eating mindfully, which is very important. Pay attention to your body's hunger signals. Enjoy each bite slowly and with awareness of texture and taste. This practice enhances digestion and prevents overeating throughout the day. Seventh, plan your day. Now as you begin your day, take a moment to plan your day and set intentions. Reflect on your weight loss goals, whether it's making a healthier food choices, doing physical activities, or practicing self-care. Planning helps you to make a conscious choice that supports your weight loss journey. Having a structured plan ensures that you prioritize your health and minimize the chances of slipping into old habits, so plan wisely and make sure that health is priority. 8, practice after this. Focus on the power of your mind. Practice Aditya Bhavana. This is a practice in which you remind yourself about the impermanence in nature. Take a moment to reflect on the changeable nature of experiences, including cravings and desire related to food. By recognizing that these sensations are impermanent, you can detach yourself from them and make conscious choices that are better suited to your weight loss goals. By following this simple yet powerful habits in your morning routines, you can energize your body and mind, setting yourself up for weight loss successfully. Take up these new habits with determination and you will definitely see positive changes. For more informative videos, subscribe, like, share, and hit the bell icon for latest update. Bye for now, see you soon with an other video.